this soup took 5 minutes of prep time. You walk away and then you have this amazing, delicious butternut soup. While the butternut's roasting in the oven, you're going to saute your garlic, ginger, chili, and fresh turmeric, along with beautiful fresh curry leaves in some butter and oil. But even better if you have ghee. Toast that until beautifully fragrant, then set half of that aside. To the other half, add coconut milk and vegetable stock. You definitely don't want to lose all those spices, so grab a little bit of your stock. This recipe bulks up quite well, so make a big batch, freeze a portion so that when we have load shedding, you have something to heat up quickly over the stove. Butternut soup done any other way does not make sense for me. This is my ultimate recipe for a spicy, very warm, very delicious, super easy butternut soup. Yum.